Everyone, want to unlink your Google Play account from PUBG Mobile but can't access the app or keep getting errors? Here's the safest way to do it using your browser and phone settings. So, first, if you have seen an error like uh, trying to unlink, it means you haven't logged in long enough, or the game is restricting unlinking due to policy. So, don't worry, here's how to unlink your Google account from PUBG manually. So open your mobile game and go to settings. Then scroll down. You'll see Facebook, Twitter, and also Google at the bottom. Then tap. You'll see this like the device has logged in 15 days in a month. You'll see this number, and you're currently logged in with the mobile number. So you'll all see all the data here. Then once you go to your home page, sorry, on your mobile, then go scroll down and then manage your Google account. Click on it, and once inside, swipe to the security data, data and privacy, and then security tab on the top. Now, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on manage third party access. So once you're inside, and you'll see this like all the access your Google account has given to other third party apps. So here, find the PUBG Mobile or anything that mentions the Tencent game and click on it and then select remove access and then click OK to confirm. And that's it. So that is how you can remove access, Google access from your PUBG Mobile. If you are also linked with Facebook, go to settings and apps and website, then select PUBG and remove it from there. And that's it. You've now unlinked your Google Play account from PUBG Mobile without needing to open the game.